in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Kingston, or near Genoa, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Another storm capable of producing a tornado was 3 miles south of Genoa. These storms have a history of producing tornadoes. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sycamore and Genoa around 5:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Hampshire, Lily Lake, and Pingree Grove. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning.